In this video, I will show you how to fix Netflix stuck on loading screen on Samsung TV. There are a few ways for you to fix this issue, and the first one would require you to soft reset your TV. So a soft reset shuts the TV down completely and then reboots it. Rather than placing it just into standby mode, this can solve issues that you may be having with apps. So, to be able to do that, press and hold the power button in your remote until the TV turns off and on again. This should only take about 5 seconds, and then unplug your TV from the power socket for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Now, if that doesn't work, the second thing you can do is to check for software updates. Sometimes software updates provide bug and security fixes for your device. So to do that, you'll need to go ahead and press the home button and navigate to the settings. Now after that, go to support and then select software update. Now in here, go ahead and click update now to start updating your TV. And the last option that you have to fix this issue is to reinstall the app on your TV. So press the home button and then navigate to the apps section. Now in here, go ahead and go to settings. Now after that, navigate to the app and then select delete. Now, after you do that, press the return button on your remote and then select the search icon. Now, enter the name of the app and install it again. And that's basically the 3 ways for you to fix Netflix stuck on loading screen on Samsung TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.